Oh my goodness, this is fun. Let's go see what she's got. 38.8, 39.2. Oh my gosh. With 2,000 watts of peak power and a 32 mile per hour top speed, this might just be my next favorite electric bike. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. I am here with the YR20. It is from JasionBikes. We're going to take it out of the box, put it together, take it for a spin, and then like we always do, we're going to grade it on fit, form, and function. How do you like that? Yeah, she's a powerful looking bike. I do, I like it. It's a beefy bike, I guess we could call it. This is the YR20, like I said. In the box, you get the user manual, you get some tools that will help you put it together, and you get a battery charger, okay? That is a good thing. As far as putting it together itself, it was not difficult at all. This was super easy. Most of the nuts and bolts were already attached to the pieces that where they needed to be. Does that even make sense? They've also attached from the factory the pegs for your rear passenger. Have you noticed how long the seat is right here? Yeah, you can have two people and they get their own pegs, their own little feet holders. Yes, okay? You get a nice looking battery right there. It's a good, like I said, it's a beefy bike. So the YR20 has a 1,000 watt, 2,000 watt peak power brushless motor right there. This is 120 Newton meters of torque. That's what I'm excited to see. 32 miles per hour top speed. The bike will hold 330 pounds, okay? So you and your rider can be pretty big. You have a 48 volt, 20 amp hour battery that's good for a range of 80 miles. That's with a light rider, pedal assist one, you know, maximizing everything. So you're gonna get a different range according to your size and your weight. These are 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires. This is a 7-speed Shimano gear system like you get with most of the other bikes right there, which is fantastic. You have a dual suspension. Yes, sir. You've got rear shocks right there. You have a front fork right here, which is really, really nice. And you get a headlight and a tail light. And yes, you even get turn signals. All right, I love it, I love it, I love it. Let's see if we can kind of slide this back a little bit. Does she come powered? Let's find out. We're gonna turn this on right there. Hit the power button. Look at that. There's your turn signal. Sequential lights. I think that is so cool. So apparently that is just in the back. There you go, if you're gonna turn right. You also have your horn right here. You have your headlight, which is really, really cool. That is bright, and you can aim it wherever you want it to go. These are hydraulic brakes, okay? These are great brakes. Look at the fluid, the little container right there, like a motorcycle. You have a twist throttle right here. All right, let's do it. It's a good day. We've got the yard guys down there mowing some yards. I'm gonna have some fun. I'm not working today. I am enjoying my time on the Jasion YR20. And if you'll notice, the only badging they have, there's nothing that says this is a Jasion. I wish they would put a label on it or something, but you just have this YR20 right there. I would add something. I mean, be proud of your bikes. Have some fun with it. I am. Hopefully, we're going to find out all that she has to offer. So we do have, it's a pretty good screen. I can see it right here in the shade. I'm hoping I can see it in the sunlight. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 levels, 5 levels of pedal assist, and you can see how this kind of goes up here and here and here, which is really, really cool. So we'll start off in 3. I've got the battery level at 87%. We are in miles per hour. You've got the twist throttle. Let's just go out and see how she does. This is pedal assist 3. It is a windy day. I may have to switch my hat around. Yeah, I'm gonna have to switch my hat around because this is, woo! There's a lot of wind today for some reason. I'm not too old for this. I can do it like this, absolutely. So let's go have some fun. We'll do a quick little brake test right here. Okay, nice. Now, with a 1,000-watt motor, peak power of 2,000 watts, I'm anticipating a very large smile on my face. And it does feel more powerful than some other bikes. This is 21, 20, 20.5, 20.3 miles per hour there. This is direct sunlight, and I can still see the LCD screen, so that's good. All the important stuff is in white. Your speed, your pedal assist, your distance, and you can change that distance to like time in the saddle, I guess you could say, hours and all that kind of stuff. So however you want to measure your usage of the bike, it will display it for you. Okay, this is what is this? Yeah, this is the part where we test the suspension. I'm flying down this at 22 miles an hour, and it is so comfortable. This is really rough right through here. Oh, this is a good looking, oh my gosh. The feel of this is nice. It's a good riding position. You've got the long saddle. You've got the pegs for an additional rider if you want to take somebody along for the ride. But the suspension, yeah, very nice. Okay, so we are in top gear. I haven't even pedaled yet, have I? So this is Torque Hill. This is just the bike doing what it does best. Let's just see how fast this likes to go. 120 Newton meters of torque is what they say. 2,000 watts of peak power. I'm going up here at 18, 17, 17.2, 16.9, 16.7, 16.6, 16.5 miles an hour. So yeah, anything above 12 is a passing grade. I'm doing this at 16.0 right now, and oh my goodness, this is fun. Okay, this is really quiet. Look at this. Look at me having fun on this. Woo! Okay, I gotta pedal. I gotta do some pedaling. I will tell you that if you like to ride with your toes, okay, if you like to ride with your toes on the pedal, you can hit the pegs for the back passenger. So the heel of your shoe can actually hit that. So I've moved my feet up. I like to ride with the ball of my feet in the pedals, but I've got to move them up so I don't hit the back peg. Not a big thing. Oh, see, no, it is. It's like right there. I'll show you when we get done with the ride. I'll show you what the deal is. And the peg needs to be moved back a little bit if that's possible, or you can just take them off. If you're not going to have a second rider, then you don't need those pegs. Just take it off. Okay, let's go see what she's got. This is my little hill where I test out the speed. This is 26, 27, 28, 29 already. I haven't even got to the fast part yet. 32, 33, 36, 38 miles an hour, 38.8, 39.2. Oh my gosh. 35, 34, we'll slow down. Holy moly! That was almost 40 miles an hour. You gotta be kidding me. 40 miles an hour, and look how steady she is. Look how steady. Okay. Oh, yes, please. Oh my, okay. This is a very comfortable bike to ride. Even at 39.2 miles an hour, there was no shaking. There are no rattles or anything at all anywhere. You can kind of hear the tires. The motor, super silent. We'll come down through here. Wow. Okay. Well, now that we're here, let's do some shifting. The Shimano 7-speed system is nice. I keep hitting the back pegs. Yeah, you can't even hear the gears shift at all. They've got this dialed in. This is a bike that you just want to use the twist throttle right here. And that's fine. The battery's powerful enough that you don't really have to worry about having enough juice to get back. You've got a good range, plenty of power. Wow. Let's stop here. This is a peppy bike. I was talking about the range. Once again, it's a 20 amp hour battery. They say 80 miles of range, and that's, you know, with a rider who's probably 150 pounds on a level surface with some wind pushing him along. I'm a little more than that, but still, 20 amp hours. Most of the batteries that I see are like 15. So you get a more powerful battery. You get a 2,000 watt peak motor. That's a joy to, oh my gosh. This just, look how this bike wants to play. I kind of like that sound. Yeah. And if you want to do little ones, see? That's nice. But even at high speed, okay, here's 26, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 6. 35.6 going this way. And it is, I feel like I could almost take my hands off the handlebar and let the bike steer itself. I'll do that at a lower speed, but this bike, I feel like I could do it at top speed. Yeah. Okay. Go back into top gear. I think I'm going to spend some alone time with this bike. Just take it out at night. Take it out on a date. Use the headlight. Go exploring. Find new little streets to ride on and just enjoy every second on this thing. This is so much fun. Holy moly. Okay, and if you want to bounce, that suspension is amazing. It's perfect. It's not too soft. It's not too hard. It is just right. I mean, it really is. Sometimes you can get suspensions that are just too loose and they almost bottom out. And then you can have others that are so tight and they're squeaky. I had a bike, it was a good bike, but the back suspension would squeak. This one is silent. And it's just as tight, the suspension. I love this thing. Let's go ahead and grade the Jasion YR20 on fit, form, and function. The locusts are alive right now. Can you hear that through the microphone? Anyway, the fun I had on this thing made me almost completely forget what it was like to put together. I don't remember. This thing was just so fun to ride. So I guess I'll give it an A for fit, the way that it was packaged. I don't see any damage on the paint. Everything seems to be coming out okay. It was very well protected. I will tell you that. I didn't have to do a whole lot of assembly on this. So yeah, we're gonna give it an A for that. Form, the way that the bike looks. Look at it. Like I've told you, I wish Jasion would put their name somewhere, because this right here is all you've got and it's hidden. It's almost hidden right here. But the look, absolutely. You've got these tubes right here. These are like 1-inch tubes. You've got a nice big square bar here. This is your battery. So easy to take off and to remove right here. You've got the front suspension. You've got the rear suspension, which I can't speak highly enough about. I mean, it is just perfect. I mean, it absolutely is perfect. It looks great. You have everything that you need. It looks like a motorcycle. Feels like a motorcycle. You've got your hydraulic fluid right here. You've got turn signals. You've got an LCD screen that you can actually see in the daytime, and your tried and true Shimano 7-speed gear system. It was just perfect. And this is a nice big long saddle. It is very firm. It's not a soft foam, but that's fine because that's what you need. And I loved it. I really, really did. You can sit up here. You can come back there. Everything is fine. The only issue for me, okay, watch this. When I put the pedal right here, look how close you are to the peg, okay? That is the one problem. If you could move the peg back here, but then you've got your rotor right here that's in the way. So as you're riding the bike, hopefully I can do this and not fall over. Okay, look at this. You're gonna hit it. Even if it's up, okay, you're still gonna hit it. So you have to ride the peg on this part of your foot. Otherwise, you're going to hit it right there. If you don't need the peg, take it out, okay? They've got the tools. They've given you the tools to do that. Just take this out, and the bike is a 100% or 110% perfect electric bike. So for form, yeah, absolutely. We're going to give it an A. Function, the way the bike was to ride. The numbers alone speak for themselves. 2,000 watts of peak power, 120 Newton meters of torque, and they say 80 miles of range. I love it. It's so well built. Now wait till you see the price, okay? Wait till I put the price on the screen there for you, but it is nice. So absolutely, we're going to give it an A for function, all right? Now, as far as price goes, right now the bike is less than $1,000. They have it marked down. It was $1,699. They've marked it down to $999 right now. And I've ridden sub $1,000 bikes, and they weren't near as nice as this. They weren't nearly as powerful. They weren't nearly as fun. They didn't come with some of the buttons and the whistles that you get with this one. So do I recommend this? Wholeheartedly, I do. This is such a nice electric bike. We do have more information for you. There's a link in the description box below this video right here. So please go check it out, do the research, watch other videos, hear what other people have to say about this thing. But I think it's just fantastic. I really think it's a good one. All right, so please go check it out. And if it's for you, buy it, ride the heck out of it, and you'll be smiling every time you hop on. You absolutely will. All right, everybody, thank you for watching these electric bike review videos. We're back with another one very, very soon. Okay? Bye-bye.